Hey, this is Jasper Lam from Online Empire. In this video, I am going to tell you something amazing, alright? It is actually the best online business to start in 2020. Although now it is still 2019, but if you start to do preparations, or if you start to invest in the knowledge, in the skills to start this online business, for sure 2020 will be a smooth year, will be a very good year for you if you're going to start this online business. Alright, so before I tell you more about this online business to kickstart in 2020, I hope that you can click subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified or updated when I upload some new video regarding make money online topics. Okay, so what is the best online business to start in 2020? I hope you know about it already, and if you watch my videos before, for sure you will know what is it. And it is affiliate marketing. Alright, affiliate marketing for sure 100% is the best online business to start in 2020. Alright, so why affiliate marketing? Why affiliate marketing is the best online business to start with? Firstly, you do not need to worry about product creation. Okay, you don't have to create a product to start this online business. Okay, affiliate marketing is that you are actually affiliate other people's product, and then you promote their product to the market, to the community. Okay, so you don't have to worry about creating the front end product and then the upsell product or the downsell product. You don't have to worry anything about that. Okay, the product vendors, the product creators, they have to do that because it is their product. But for you as an affiliate marketers, you don't have to do anything about that. Okay, and then the next reason is that since there's no product creations, so you don't have to worry about inventory. You do not need to do inventory for your product, unless if your product is digital product, then you also do not have to worry about inventory. But what if it is a physical product? You have to worry about the productions, the inventory, you have to do the stock take, stock check, everything. So by doing affiliate marketing, again, you are not creating product, and that is why you do not need to do inventory. That is the best thing. Okay, inventory is a very hectic work. All right, another thing is that no product creations, no inventory, and so there will be no delivery as well. You do not have to worry about delivering the product to the customer. Okay, this kind of work, just leave it to the product vendor, to the product creators. All right, they will have already an agreement with some courier services, and so they will do the delivery for them. So affiliate marketers, the job of an affiliate marketer is just do internet marketing for the product, promote it to the communities, and you make money from each sales. Alright, so no product creations, for sure no inventories, and then no delivery at all. And the next thing is that although you sell the product or you promote the product to the customer and they bought it, actually you do not need to provide any product support or any kind of support related to the product to the customer who bought the product. Alright, of course, unless you have some extra offer or extra values that you are providing to those who bought the product from you, and you are providing them something extra, then you have to give them support regarding the extra offers that you provided to them. Okay, so if let's say you are not giving any extra stuff, any extra thing to the customers who bought the product from you, so you do not have to worry about supporting them at all, because they have to contact the product creators, the product owner, instead of you, because you are not the product owner. All right, and the next thing is most of the product vendors or the owners, they will create marketing materials for their product, and the marketing materials that they will let you to access is actually already tested and perfected. They tested it and it is effective, it is responsive, the people are responding to that kind of materials, then they only will upload into their affiliate page and let you access to their marketing materials. By accessing to marketing materials, it will save a lot of your time because you do not have to create image or videos and maybe the demographic of their customers and also the email swipes, the email contents for follow-up. You don't have to worry about this anymore because they already prepared it for you. You only need to copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. That's all. Right? It's amazing, right? The work is so little as long as you know the tricks and you choose the product from the owners who have marketing materials ready for you to access. Okay? And then again, for affiliate marketing, it is not like dropshipping or Amazon FBA or e-commerce where you have to do some product research or trial and error to find out your golden product. For affiliate marketing, especially if you are going looking for products from ClickBank, which is a very huge and established affiliate marketing platforms, you can look for products that are actually selling. They have the status or the statistics for each product, whether they are selling or not, or whether a lot of affiliate marketers are promoting the product or not. So you only have to look at the statistics, then you will know whether the product is selling or not. But for Amazon FBA, dropshipping, e-commerce, I am not sure whether you can access to these kind of statistics or not, because from what I see from AliExpress, I don't see this kind of statistics. Maybe there is some extra tools that you have to install to get this kind of statistics. But for affiliate marketing, you don't have to do product research. All right. What I mean by product research is that whether it is selling or not, and look for the golden product. Okay. For affiliate marketing, you still somehow have to do some research, but not what you have to do like for dropshipping. All right. So actually, from all these things, you can see that affiliate marketing seems to be involve very little work. All right. You don't have to create product. You don't have to look for raw materials to create your physical products. You don't have to hire, outsource to other experts to create your product. No product, and you do not have to worry about inventory, no delivery, and no support. No need provide support. All right. And also a lot of marketing materials prepared for you to access. You just copy and paste it and just run advertisement, online advertisement, and that's all. Just wait. But of course, you have to do some tweaking regarding your funnels and also your advertisements or your ads. All right. The major stuff is that from what you can see here is that you pick a product, you just pick a product, and then you create your funnel, and then you just run traffic. That's all for affiliate marketing. It is such an easy work actually. Okay, so if you are actually convinced to do affiliate marketing, and like I said, it is the best online business to start in 2020. All right, now it's end of September. You still have 3 months to go before you start your affiliate marketing business. What I recommend you to do is please register yourself for this affiliate bootcamp. This is carried out by ClickFunnels, and this affiliate bootcamp is actually 100 days. All right, it is exactly 3 months from now. Okay, which means you take part or you register yourself today. After 100 days, it will be 2020 already. It will be year 2020 already, and that will be the perfect time for you to start your business. All right, but you may ask, why affiliate bootcamp? Okay, so this bootcamp actually involves 15 ClickFunnels super affiliates. What I mean by super affiliates, which means they are the top in ClickFunnels who are promoting ClickFunnels to the community. They are the top people. They are earning millions of dollars from ClickFunnels, and also they will share in this training, in this bootcamp, they will share their exact strategies on how they become super affiliates for ClickFunnels. Once you know how they do it, you just repeat, duplicate their strategies. That's all. Implement their strategies to be yours, copy their strategies, and run it. And for sure, you will be a super affiliate as well. All right. And another thing is that actually ClickFunnels will pay for your dream car. All right. ClickFunnels have a contest called Dream Car Contest for affiliates, and this Dream Car Contest is actually when you achieve 100 active user under your affiliate account, which means you promote ClickFunnels to 100 people and 100 people are using ClickFunnels because you promoted it to them. ClickFunnels will pay you $500 every month for your car loan, for your lease. Okay, so you just look for 100 people to use ClickFunnels for their business, for their online business. ClickFunnels will eventually pay you another $500 every month to pay for your car lease. All right. So some people might think, okay, so I can get 100 active users easily because I have a lot of resources. Then actually you can aim for further 200 active users. If you achieve 200 active users, you will get $1,000 every month from ClickFunnels to pay for your car lease. All right. Is there any affiliate programs or is there any companies that will give you this kind of benefits? They will pay for your car. Hardly you will find any affiliate programs or companies that will do such an amazing things. All right. That is why ClickFunnels is receiving a lot of good response from the affiliate marketers, because they are paying very well, 40% of commissions, and also with this dream car contest. And for your informations, actually now there is more than 100 affiliate marketers are actually having their dream cars being paid by ClickFunnels. All right. So if you are serious in taking affiliate marketings, or if you are serious to do affiliate marketings, trust me, this affiliate bootcamp will be the best for you, and it is actually only $100 and for 100 days of training. Okay. And also if you register for free first, before you pay the $100, ClickFunnels will have you access to 4 days interview of the ClickFunnels of the super affiliates. All right, you can access to a 4 days interview so that you will see whether it is worthy for you or not. If you feel that it is a very worthy programs for you to register, then you only further ahead to pay the $100 for the 100 days bootcamp challenge. All right. Again, $100 for 100 days is actually only $1 per day. And you'll be getting a lot of extra materials from a ClickFunnels as well. All right. So that is all from me today. Believe me, affiliate marketing is the best online business, and everyone can do it. Disregard whether you are a retiree, or you are still studying, or you are working and have big families. $100 is the best investment you will be doing in your whole life. All right, because you will be learning a lot from these 15 ClickFunnels super affiliates. Okay, so that's all today. Thank you for your patience, for watching my videos, and if you like my video, please click a like and subscribe to my channel if possible. And this is Jasper from Online Empire. See you in the next video. Goodbye.